Hi, the poetry of purpose communicating with depth in a distracted world. Well, it's a nice topic. Good evening to everyone present here. Raise your words, not your voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder, said the philosopher Rumi. Rumi also said, wound is where the light enters you. Wound is where the light enters you. And my version is, जख्मों पे लगा ले मरहम तू, फूलों को यहीं खिलना है. ये रोशनी है शिकस्त की, जिंदगी से हमें यहीं मिलना है. This is my learning. The human tongue has no bone, but it crushes bone. It is inspiring to stand before a room full of thinkers, creators, storytellers, and believers in the power of words. For over 2 decades now, I have lived around words, some poetic, some lyrical, and others factual. And in this lifelong affair with language, I have come to understand one truth. We are not just here to say something, we are here to say things that matter. In an age where we scroll more than we speak, where reels replace real emotion, and where attention has become currency, depth is rebellion. We're surrounded by information, fast, fleeting, filtered. But where is the feeling? Where is the pause? Where is the purpose? Where is poetry? And where is class? That is why today I invite you to step into something different. Not a pitch, not a trend, but a thought. What if we chose to communicate with purpose, like poets in a distracted world? Huh? Think about it. I have spent more than 1 lakh minutes on TV. Conversed with legends like Dilip Kumar and Devanand and Sri Devi. I spoke at United Nations and TEDx. I wrote poetry on love, longing, life, betrayal, acceptance. Spent evenings with writers and directors. Did theater and memorized pages and pages of words that expressed grief and joy. I have been a witness, unfortunately, to the erosion of depth. We have mastered the art of grabbing attention, but what about holding it, honoring it? Whether in flawless English, pure Urdu, or traditional Hindi, I have tried to accentuate meaning by the quality of words. लुत्फ लीजिए, शिकायत मत कीजिए, ये जिंदगी है, समझ में नहीं आती, कैसे जीना है इसे, जब तलक समझ आता है तब तलक मेरी जान आधी निकल जाती है. Yes, I've had the privilege of 150 million views. It's a currency, but numbers don't define legacy. Connection does. I wish to share this. Recently, a neighbor I grew up with told me that she named her daughter after my name. She's called Atika. This will go to the grave with me. Gulzar Saab said, बहुत अच्छा बोलती हो. आशा भोसले had complimented कि बात तो वही है मगर बेहतर तरीके से करती है. A senior police officer once told me, आपसे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का वकार जिंदा है. And an honorable judge recently complimented me, saying, तुम अपनी फील्ड की अमृता प्रीतम हो. There are some things money can't buy. For everything else, there is. We all know what. That to me is impact. Because at the end of the day, every member of media industry should not just be chasing reach. We should be chasing resonance. तू इंसा है, दरख्त नहीं, तू क्यों खड़ा चौराहों पे, तू सब्र नहीं, तू मौज है, किनारा कर किनारों से, धूप ले तू बालों पर, छाँव की है फिक्र किसे, पैरों को तराश कर सफर के नक्श पे ढाल दे, जो बीत गया वो भूल जा, लिखा था वो नसीब में, किसे है सब मिला और कब, तो हर खलिश निकाल दे. I fearlessly add my songs and poems and other legends' poems and quotes in film scripts. In fact, I'm writing the dialogues of a film as we speak and on air material and everywhere. Raised in an army cantonment, I inherited discipline and service before self. So, to every young communicator in this room, don't just aim to be viral, aim to be vital. What is the average attention span of a person in India? A 2024 article from Forever News notes that an average Indian is spending over 6 hours daily on the internet. A national health survey indicates that 60% of Indian teenagers spend over 3 hours daily on social media. I doubt. I think it's more than 3 hours, which may impact attention. We become the data that we consume, so it's the duty of content makers, creators to make sure that we don't raise a generation of mindless content consumers. We are also soldiers within the borders of India. My journey has been from prime time in channels like Star, Viacom, CNN News 18, Geo Hotstar, to now, in a way, a cultural ambassador of Indian entertainment. Yes, you see, we are operating in a world where we are constantly being told speak louder, post faster, respond quicker. But in our quest for speed, we've often sacrificed the serenity of communication. So the next time you sit to draft a message, I invite you to ask, would this move my mother? Would this make a child curious? Would this remind someone of their own worth? Value yourself, as your presence and your stance will make India and Indians what we deserve to be. Rich in the mind, big in the heart, and careful with the tongue. Say, I'm enough to start that wave. वेल एक मेरा शेर है कि हम सूखे दरख्त नहीं गुलाब हैं दिन चढ़ेगा तो फिर से खिल जाएंगे माफ कर देंगे मगर याद सब रखेंगे और तुमसे जो बिछड़े तो खुद से मिल जाएंगे एंड वन मोर फॉर ऑल द वुमेन आई डेडिकेट माई शेर कीमती जेवर महंगे लिबास ऊंची सैंडल मुखौटों के पीछे के मलाल पहचान ना पाओगे कामयाब औरतें कुछ इस अदा से मुस्कुराती हैं कि उनके दिल का असल हाल कभी जान ना पाओगे So don't be distracted in the distracted world, ladies and gentlemen. Find your purpose. Thanks a lot.